So, hello everyone, a very good morning. Today is Tuesday, so happy Tuesday, and I hope so that everything will be mangal in your life, your family, and in every aspects wherever you are trying. So, I can see that there is a dim light in my room, but I can't do anything with that because I have no authority, I have no power to change that light or whatsoever, because it's in the hand of a PG owner and the executives and all. But what we should not think about the loopholes. We should think about how we can excel in our life. The thing is that everyone's life is full of thick and things, like a roller coaster. Roller coaster means, the thing is that sometimes it will be down and sometimes it will be up. So your life will not be stagnant every time. We have to face the scenario where we will feel like a criticism, we will feel like we should give up everything, we will feel like there is nothing left for me to live in this country and all, live in this world, live in this universe and all. So but we have to respect our dignity, that no, I have to make something big, so I have to stay alive. Yeah, I'm discussing that topic because if you are changing your goal, then it will not be very easy for you, first of all. And second thing is that it will demand a lot of sacrifices, even the sacrifice that you don't want to give at any cost, but for getting success you have to give it. You have to give that sacrifice as well. Okay, because I am experiencing that thing, so that's why I am telling here, because I am the living proof here. Okay, are you getting what I am trying to explain you here? Are you getting it? Please note down everything, because everything is mandatory for our life to excel in a good manner. See, life demands sacrifice. Yeah, it's true. If we want to sustain our life in a good way, in a lavish way, not in a lethargic way, no, of course. Lethargic means the people who is literally lazy in every sense. Even I am lazy, so I am working on it. But yeah, it will take time for being me that person that it's super active, that is proactive in every sense. But I am a lethargic person, so I am trying to figure it out. So if you are also a lethargic person, then don't be lethargic. Lethargic itself means that it will not give you anything good, it will not give you anything fruitful. So we have to let that lethargic attitude right now we have to let it down. So we have to replace our lethargic identity with proactive, with a super active identity. Yes, we can do that now. If we can do that, then why we are not doing? It means that we are seriously lethargic, we are seriously lazy, we are careless about our life, our career, our goal, whatsoever. Please replace the word lethargic in your dictionary, in your life, and replace it with what? Superactive, proactive, intellect, wise, wisdom, and every positive things that you can include in that. So with that note, I want to end this video today. So please take care. Meeting on day 22.